Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 154 of Surat Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ثم آتينا موسى الكتاب تماما على الذي أحسن وتفصيلا لكل شيء. ثم for Dhamma, circle ellipse attach with meme. Meme will get sipa of kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. With fatha, the sound is short. Ma, two counts long. Tai, ta is sharp. And when it is attached with ya, it is soft. When you are attaching fatha with ya, this part is soft because this is lean. Ya lean. Tai, na, two counts long. Mu for Dhamma circle. Let's make it two counts long without going into your nose for the long vowel. Long vowel should not go into your nose. Yes, meme is from nasal sound. Mu, sel, for fatha open jaws attach it. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Ki for kasra give e sound. Ta, sharp sound, no flow of breath or sound. Two counts long. Ba for fatha open jaws. Ta, very sharp sound for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ma, man. Ruling is ibhar and sifa is tawassut. So this is ibhar. Man, ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lal for fatha open jaws attach it. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha open jaws. The four counts long without going into your nose. Ash for fatha open jaws attach with ha will get sifa of rakhawa. It has hums and it is light. Sa for fatha open jaws. Na for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Taf, ta is sharp. Attach with fa will get sifa of rakhawa and hums. Taf. Sli, slod makes slod heavy, make it two counts long. Lel, li, idgham without guna. Lelli, for kasra give e sound. Kulli, for dhamma circle your lips attach with lam. Lam will get about tawassut. Li, for kasra give e sound. Shay, this is yailin. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, the sound will be soft. Shay, this is idgham with gunna, so you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. The sound should not be it is a large dip. Don't give a dip and then come out of it. It is kasra will not take too long. It is attached with wow with idgham. For fatha open jaws. Hu for the circle lips. Down. Idgham with gunna, so you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time again. Wa makhraj of power circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Rah. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with ha will get zip up rakhawa with hums and it is light. Rahma for fatha open jaws. Tel. Idgham without kunna, you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Tella for fatha open jaws. Al for fatha open jaws and ain should be from your throat nicely. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hum ikhfa shafawi, you're hiding the sound of meme and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Hum bi for kasra give e sound. Li for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Qa, make qaf nicely heavy. Make it four counts long because this is muttasil wajib. E for kasra give e sound. Rab, whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. It is heavy and attached with ba. Ba will cut off the sound. Rabbi For kasra give E sound. Him. For kasra give E sound attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. You. Ya is soft and light. For Dhamma, circular ellipse attached with Hamza. Hamza will cut off the sound abruptly. You, me. For Kasra, give E sound. Noon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is Mad Arid Lis Sukun. ثم آتينا موسى الكتاب تماما على الذي أحسن وتفصيلا لكل شيء وهدى ورحمة لعلهم بلقاء ربهم يؤمنون. ومخرج of circle in your lips, fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ha, 2 counts long. The, 2 counts long. Ki, for kasra give E sound. Ta, very sharp sound, make it 2 counts long. Bun, ruling is the ithar, and sifa is tawassut. Bun, this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You are preparing your mouth to say za. You are keeping the sound in your nose. This is ikhfa. Zal. For fatha upon jaws attached with lam, lam will get sip of tawassut. Na, 2 counts long. Hu, for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Mu, for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ba, 2 counts long. Ra, ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Kun, this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You're preparing your mouth to say fa, letter fa, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Kufat, give a hamsin fa, attach with ta, ta will get sifa of shidda, the sound will cut off abruptly. Fatta, ta, for fatha upon jaws. B, for kasra give E sound. Ru, for dhamma circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Hu, for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. What, makhraj of waw circling ellipse attached with ta, ta will cut off the sound abruptly. What, ta, ta for fatha upon jaws. Qu, off is heavy for dhamma circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. La, for fatha upon jaws. Al, ain from your throat nicely, attached with lam, lam will get sip off the wasut. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sip off the wasut. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. To keep ta light and attach with the raw. Raw will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. To ha, ha from your throat with hums. Moon, because of this work we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukun. ثم آتينا موسى الكتاب تماما على الذي أحسن وتفصيلا لكل شيء وهدى ورحمة لعلهم بلقاء ربهم يؤمنون. وهذا كتاب أنزلناه مبارك فاتبعوه واتقوا لعلكم ترحمون. Hamza is sharp, fatha upon jaws, and there is ikhfa coming up. You are going towards the makhraj of ta. You are keeping the sound in your nose. This is ikhfa. Ta. Ta is sharp for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Qu. Qaf is heavy. For dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Lu. Mad. Munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. In Hamza is sharp, focus give E sound attach with noon. Noon will get sipa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Inna for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. For the circle lips, as you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. Your keeping your mouth ready to say za, you are hiding the sound in your nose. This is ikhfa. Z for kasra give e sound. Lal for fatha open jaws attach with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Ki for kasra give e sound. Ta 2 counts long. Bu for the circle lips, the sound is short. A ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Ta mad muttasil wajib, and to is the most heaviest letter, and alif attached with it is heavy too, so make it heavy, nicely heavy. You are pasting your tongue up to give itbaq too. I for kasra give e sound. F give hams in pa for fatha open jaws. Tai ta is sharp, and it is soft when you are attaching fatha with ya, because this is yailin. Tai ni for kasra give e sound. Nia for kasra give e sound, and then this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is heavy, so your tongue should be lifted up and your mouth should be ready to say letter qaf, and you're hiding the sound in your nose. Miaqab. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached ba. Give a very crispy qalqala here. Qab. Li for kasra give e sound. Na 2 counts long, and make sure you are not making because of qaf you're not making ba heavy, and qalqala should not be heavy here. Qab. قابلين هو مخرج الواو. Circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. In for kasra give e sound, and then this is ikhfa. It's like you're about to say ink. So in kun for the circle lips attached with noon. As you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position. Na, and then it is 2 counts long. There is kunna 2, and then it is long. Kunna ain from your throat for fatha open jaws, and this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You are keeping your mouth ready to say dal, and you are hiding the sound in your nose. Adi for kasra give e sound. Ra is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Sa for fatha open jaws. Ti for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attach with meme. You will get sip of the wasut. La for fatha open jaws. Ghain is heavy. Munfatiha letter, but isti'ala, make it 2 counts long. La fi for kasra give e sound with hums. Lean. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned these 2 counts long all into 4. This is madarid. Let's sukoon. تقولوا إنما أنزل الكتاب على طائفتين من قبلنا وإن كنا عن دراستهم لغافلين. Ow, sharp hamza for fatha open jaws, and when you are attaching with wow, this is wow lean, so make it soft. Ow, ta is sharp for fatha open jaws. Qu, qaf is heavy. For dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Lu for dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Loud, this is wow lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with wow. And hamza is sharp attached with noon. Noon will get sip off of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long without going into your nose for this mud letter. Hamza is sharp for the circle lips, and this is ikhfa. As you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. Z for kasra, give e sound, and za has safir in it. Z la for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. A ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lay, this is yailin, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Okay. Nal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of tawassut. Ki for kasra, give e sound. Ta, 2 counts long. Bu for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. La for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Kun for dhamma circle lips attached with noon. Noon gets sip of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long without going into your nose. For kasra, for fatha upon jaws attached with ha will get sip of rakhawa, and it is light. Da, 2 counts long. Da is very sharp sound. Min for kasra, give e sound attached with noon gets sip of tawassut, and hukmuhu idhar. Hum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with mim will get sip of tawassut. F, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. Qad, qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal gets sipa of qalqala. Keep dal light. Why I'm saying so? Because qaf is beside it. So don't make dal heavy because of this qaf. Fa, qad, qa, qad, ja, mad muttasil wajib. Make it 4 counts long and don't go into your nose when you are making it long. Ja, for fatha upon jaws, the sound short. Kum, ikhfa shafawi, hold the sound in your nose with kunna. Kum, bayyi, here you are giving rakhawa. Bayyi, focus are giving e sound. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Tum, idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mir, ra is heavy because it is with fatha, and ra will get sifa of tawassut first when it is attached with mim. Mir, 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 rab for fatha upon your jaws attached with ba. Ba will cut off the sound. Rabbi for kasra, give e sound. Kum for dhamma circle lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Wa makhraj of power circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. Who for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Down, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa for makhraj of waw, circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. Rah, ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. Attached with ha, ha will get sifa of rakhawa. It has humps and it is from your throat. Ma for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. This ta is changed into ha because it has sukoon now. When we are giving sukoon on this circle ta, we change it into ha. Wa rahma. Fa, give hamsin fa for fatha upon jaws. Man for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. This has tawassut. Sifais tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Man, aw. Hamza is sharp and light. Aw. And dha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy. Aw, la for fatha upon jaws. Mu for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Mim, mag attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Man, this ikhfa is light, and it is like, it sounds like ink. Man, kadh for fatha upon jaws attached with dal gives up the sound when you are attaching, when you're engaging the right makhraj of dal, it will give you that zabdaba sound. This is rakhawa. This is the sound flow of sound. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ba, very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. B, for kasra, give e sound, the sound is short. 2 counts long. Yeah, 2 counts long. Til, for kasra, give e sound, lafz jilala will be light because there is kasra before it. Till, la, it is always long. He for kasra give E sound. Wa makhraj of vowel circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. Sa sad is heavy for fatha open jaws. Da for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Fa give hams in fa for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. An ain from your throat attach with noon. Noon gets if of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ha two comes long. Sa give Safirin seen for fatha upon your jaws and seen is light. Naj noon is light for fatha upon jaws attached to jim. Jim will get sipa of qalqala. Naj Zil for kasra give you sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. The two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Yes. Ya is light but swad is heavy and swad will get sifa of rakhawa. It will get hums. Um, it will get and it will be heavy and it has safir. Yes. Yeah is light and swad is heavy. Yes. D for kasra give E sound. Fu for dhamma circle lips make it two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. An ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. An two counts long. Yeah, keep ya soft, make it two counts long. T for kasra give E sound. Na two counts long. Su for the circular lips make it four counts long because this is mad muttasil wajib. Su al for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. A ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. The make it two counts long. B for kasra give E sound. B for kasra give E sound. The sound is short. Ma two counts long. Ka two counts long. Nu for the ma circle lips make it two counts long. Yes. Keep ya light, but swad is heavy. Swad will get sifa of rakhawa and it has safir and it is heavy. Yes. D for kasra give E sound. Foon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid lis sukun. أو تقولوا لو أنا أنزل علينا الكتاب لكنا أهدى منهم فقد جاءكم بينة من ربكم وهدى ورحمة فمن أظلم ممن كذب بآيات الله وصدف عنها سنجزي الذين يصدفون عن آياتنا سوء العذاب سيجزي الذين يصدفون عن آياتنا سوء العذاب بما كانوا يصدفون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.